bed, you sound so musical. In the club, you scream. God like gaze, you're so beautiful, but you're not for me. I can't sleep lately. I'm just trying to find peace.
This year's installation for the courtyard of the University in Milano is the transformation of an idea we had working on several projects around the world, and it is how to create furniture that not only serves the social purpose of coming together, of sitting together, of enjoying another's company, but also how to make this furniture using strategies, techniques of older times, techniques of new science discoveries. In that case, it's a bench that actually cools down the surroundings. So there's a summer side that is being cooled by a cooling tower, actually an Arabic idea that rediscovered and reused here in this installation. So the idea is to say furniture should be devices that should adapt to places, to climates, so that it will remain possible to get together, to sit together, even to climate change. Adapting to climate change after trying to avoid the heating of the planet, planting trees, creating shade, reusing material, thinking very carefully about the use of CO2, etc. The second action that is regarded is that we have to adapt to climate change because climate change is going to come. So a new way of thinking of furniture is actually to think of furniture as a device that actually adapts to climate changes. And in the end, this is nothing new. In former times in Italy, you would see stone benches that would cool, they would feel cool over the summer. You would see in Arabia cooling towers that would cool homes. So we combine these two ideas, the ideas of paving, of Italian stone furniture, and the idea of Arabic cooling towers to create this bench. So, and beside that, we created a whole family of furniture that is supposed to adapt to different climates that you can see in our homepage. It's called www.climate-adapted-furniture.com. Thank you very much.